Lush Loom's latest installation was completed at Evershine Gardens, Barsha South, Dubai, where we transformed an open apartment balcony with premium outdoor curtains designed for comfort, privacy, and style. The apartment owner had stopped using the balcony because of the intense afternoon sunlight. Heat built up on the tiles, glare affected the seating area, and road dust constantly settled on the furniture. But she didn't want to lose the beautiful outdoor view. She wanted shade, comfort, and privacy without closing off the balcony. That's where Lush Loom stepped in. Our project supervisor, Elena Marwick, visited the apartment and studied the balcony at different times of the day to understand exactly how the sunlight moved across the space.
Based on the balcony's conditions, we recommended a specially designed outdoor curtain fabric suitable for Dubai's climate. Unlike standard indoor fabrics, this outdoor weave is UV-resistant and water-repellent, helping it perform better against strong sunlight, humidity, and outdoor conditions. For the final look, the owner selected a cream fabric with fine taupe-brown vertical stripes. The light base complements the balcony beautifully, while the vertical stripes add an elegant touch and make the tall opening feel even more spacious. Next came the measuring process. Our team measured the width at multiple heights, checked the curtain drop, and allowed the right amount of floor clearance so the curtains could skin the tiles without dragging. We installed an aluminium ceiling-mounted track inside the ceiling recess, keeping the hardware discreet and creating a clean, premium finish. To achieve the deep and luxurious folds, the curtains were prepared with approximately 2.5 times fullness. Then came installation day. This gives the owner complete flexibility. She can open one side, both sides, or close the entire balcony whenever needed. Every pleat was dressed by hand, and the curtains were tested several times to ensure a smooth and effortless glide. And the best part? The entire installation was completed in just one day. The result is more than just a beautiful curtain installation. The owner can now control the harsh afternoon sunlight, enjoy a more comfortable seating area, reduce the impact of road dust, and create privacy whenever she wants.
Most importantly, the balcony has become a usable living space throughout the day, rather than a space that could only be enjoyed after sunset. This is another successful project completed by Lush Loom at Evershine Gardens, Barsha South, Dubai. Planning a similar balcony transformation? Share your space details with Lush Loom and let our team recommend the right outdoor curtain solution for your home. Lush Loom, transforming Dubai spaces with premium curtains and interior solutions.